Arduino board, LED, 220 ohm resistor, breadboard, wires. First, set the LED to breadboard. Then connect the resistor to LED. Then connect a jumper wire from 13 pin on Arduino board to positive pin of the LED. Then connect the other wire to resistor and the ground of the Arduino board. Let's move to the Arduino code. First we have to define the 13 pin as an output pin. Pin mode 13, output means get the 13 pin as output. Let's move to the loop function. In the loop function, first we can see digital write function. We use digital write function to supply 0 or 5 volt to selected pin in Arduino board. In here we supply 5 voltage to 13 pin in our Arduino board. High means 5 volt, low means 0 volt. In the next line we can see delay function. Delay function is used to wait the code for some predefined time. The time is defined as a millisecond. In here 1000 millisecond, it means 1 second. Then the code is wait for 1 second. In the next line we can again see digital write function. In here 13 pin is low. After this line again we can see delay function. Here also 1000 millisecond wait. When we get these 4 lines as a summary, first the LED light is on for 1 second and then off for 1 second. This is work as loop, 1 second on and 1 second off. The blinking style and blinking speed can be changed by changing the delay time of the delay function, and then you can experiment different type of blinking styles by changing this code.